Hello everyone, today we got this device, it's Oppo A15s. The power button is not working. I have already disassembled this device and then I start recording. Alright, so you can see when we put the charging, the device is on. So we can conclude that the power button is not working and the volume and the up volume is working. They are with the same flex cable. You can order that and replace it. But I'm going to just replace the power button. You can continue watching to see how we can fix that. I'm looking at the flex cable to see if there is any liquid damage, but seems there isn't. So I'm pushing that power button from the inside after I disassembled the device, but also it's not working. I pressed too hard to it, also it's not working. I don't know what caused this power button itself to not working. This is not happening every time. Sometimes it got damaged from water liquid damage. Alright, I'm using the tweezers to see if we can do something, but seems nothing is appears on the screen and the screen is not working. Sometimes we need to take our time to see, test, figure out what causing this problem. I just don't want to replace this power button because it could be another thing. To mention something, this mainboard, it has 4 pins under that flex cable, so it could be one of them is not working. So I can't just replace the power button and then it's the mainboard is not working. So you have to make sure where the problem is and then you can proceed with your work. I cleaned that pins, 4 pins with the alcohol, and also cleaned the pads of the flex cable with the alcohol to see if we can make the device power again. I didn't power on the device, it powered by itself. So it means the problem still happening. We pressing 1, 2, 3 and nothing on the screen. So we can now disassemble the flex power button cable and then we can make the process. As I told you, can just now order a new one, remove this one and put another one. This should be easy for you. This will be extra hard for you to repair this power button. Not all of you, but some of you. Sorry I couldn't capture everything on the screen. My hair also on the screen. I was so hurried to record this video because I thought it could help you for repairing your own devices. Alright, this is the power button. I scratch it while I test that, so it's not looks like that. This is flex paste. The heating gun, I put it 456 degree to remove this pin. Alright, it's almost out. There is black glow. Sometimes it takes time to remove that, but seems we have get rid of it fast. Alright, that's good. Alright, this pads, it has 4 pins, and the power button, I have it, it has 2 pins. So we have to do something to make that power button working. Let's make some clean to make it flat so we can put the new power button. Keep cleaning, we need it clean. I have put flux paste, and then I'm going to use the soldering iron and the wick to remove the soldering. And maybe remove some glue. So this is the power button I have. Alright. It has 2 pins and the pads have 4 pins. So how to fix that and make the power button working? You can just connect 2 down, 2 up. The device will never work. So now you will see what I'm going to cover it. So we cover the top right one and then we cover the bottom left one. Alright, and you keep left and right, one to the up and one to the down. In this way we can make the 2 pins power button working. I may found a power button with 4 pins, but it will be used, but I prefer to put 2 pins in new one. You can see my power button is not correctly in position or fit with this one, but we make it happen for the customer with a low price. Should have used the soldering iron for the microscopic soldering. I don't know why I used something isn't really good. And I made a new, or I make in a new different way, so I get too much work in here. And it doesn't work really, so I had to replace a new home button. I'm not gonna lie, because one covering pads has been covered, so I had to cover it again. This way is too shaky. I can't press down, and if I press down, I need to remove the flex cable because it's still heating. I need the heat to go away, and I need to press in the same second, and I can't do that. But using this microscopic soldering iron, I can do that. I can put my finger on the power button, and then I can soldering one pad at once. In this way, I can make this happen. You can see the bottom left side is not covering. So I make that again, put a new home power button, and then now I'm going to test. And everything was great. The power button is now working, and that was for today. If you have any questions, you can just leave it on the comments below. We will answer it as soon as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.